In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Zoho Books. If you're managing your business finances through Zoho Books, knowing how to efficiently create a credit note can really help you streamline your accounting processes. Don't worry, it sounds more complicated than it actually is, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Books website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Zoho Books URL. Once you're there, it's time to sign in. Look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll need to enter your Zoho account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there's an option to sign up for one, which is pretty straightforward. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Zoho Books home, your dashboard for all things financial. Now, directing your attention to the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice several tabs. For what we're doing today, you want to click on Sales. This section is like the epicenter of where you manage all your outgoing transactions in Zoho Books, from invoices to customer interactions. Following that, within the Sales section, your next click should be on Credit Notes. This is where you manage all the credit notes you've issued to clients. Think of credit notes like refunds or reductions that would decrease a client's invoice. They're a crucial part of keeping your financial records accurate and balanced. When you arrive at the credit notes page, you'll see a list of any existing credit notes. But of course, today we're focusing on creating a new one. Look for a button or link that says Create New Credit Note and click on it. This step opens up a form where you can fill out the necessary details for your credit note. The form will prompt you for specific information such as the client or customer's details, the original invoice number, the reason for the credit note, and the specific amount. Make sure to fill this out carefully, as these details are important for your records and for the client's understanding. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, look towards the bottom of the page and you'll find a Save or Submit button. Hit that and voila, your credit note has been created. To sum up, navigating to the Zoho Books website, signing in and heading to the sales section are the basic starting steps. From there, clicking on credit notes and finally creating a new credit note is the process you'll follow. With a bit of practice, creating credit notes will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today and happy accounting.